Hi.
Hi.
How are you everybody? My name is Sultan Al-Maliki and he is Rakan Al-Jaed.
In this video we will talk about the latches and some logic gate.
Let's go.
Let's go. This is the source here. We can connect it with
Hi.
this.
Hi.
What are you doing, guys?
We are working on an experiment.
Yes, by using the latches and some logic gate here.
So, what is the latch?
The latch, can we have a second? The latches we have here more of the gates, yes, and we have here NAND gate. This is NAND gate with this inverter, yes, and the latch consists of two gates. They are OR gate here.
Okay.
We can use OR gate, and we can use two NOR gates. Connect together with feedback
Yes.
from the output to input, like this, and here, and we will take the output, then connect it to the lid here to know
And then for what?
for the output,
Okay.
to know the output, what yes, what are the stations. We
Okay.
yes, we can turn on this Sultan.
This is AND gate for multiplication. The AND gate has two input and we can add more than two input. The AND gate should work one by one in this case. The output equal 1. This is truth table for AND gate. If input 1 equals 0 and input 2 equals 0, the output equals 0. If input 1 equals 0 and input 2 equals 1, the output equals 0. If input 1 equals 1 and input 2 equals 0 and output equals 0. If input 1 equals 1 and input 2 equal 1, the output equal 1. Now the SR latch connect here input,
Yes.
here input 1, input 2, this output. Now 0 0
No change.
no change. 0 1
Zero.
0 1 1
One.
1.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay. 0 0, no change.
0 0 not change, 0 1 change.
Zero.
Yes.
Yes.
Zero.
Reset. Reset.
Reset.
1 and 0.
Set.
Set. Okay.
In this picture we have SR latch. It consists of 4 NAND gates and it has 3 inputs, S and E and R. Also it has feedback on each output. As you see this table called the truth table for this latch above. It has all the inputs and outputs. E meaning enable, S meaning set, and R meaning reset, and Q dash. Q dash inverter to the Q. If you want to operate this latch, you should put the enable active to get a correct value on the output.
Now we have connect SR latch. Here is. Here are. Here output. Now start.
Yes.
0 0.
No change.
No change.
Yes.
1 0. Set.
Yes.
1 1. Invalid.
Yes.
0 0 1. Reset.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy.